Carousell, a popular online marketplace, lets users buy and sell items easily. But creating an account requires phone number verification, which can be a hassle for those who value privacy or don't have a local number. This security measure, while important to prevent fraud, can be inconvenient and even limiting for some. MobileSMS.io is your key to a seamless Carousell experience. Our temporary phone numbers let you bypass Carousell's SMS verification, protecting your privacy and enabling you to join the bustling marketplace from anywhere in the world. A temporary number from MobileSMS.io for your Carousell account offers several advantages. It blocks unwanted ads, protects your privacy, and lets you enjoy new account discounts without multiple personal phone numbers. Let us sign up at Carousell. We will sign up at Carousell Philippines. Now, let us go to MobileSMS.io to get a Philippines number. At this point, Carousell sent us a verification code. We will retrieve this from MobileSMS.io and use it to complete our sign-up. It's that easy. You can now start using Carousell. Using a temporary number for Carousell verification is legal, cost-effective, and reliable with MobileSMS.io's real SIM cards. MobileSMS.io excels in reliability, exceptional support, and service quality. Our real phone numbers avoid common blocks and filters, guaranteeing successful verification every time. MobileSMS.io is the smart choice for a hassle-free Carousell registration, offering a simple, secure, and privacy-conscious solution to bypass SMS verification.